Hello guys, welcome to today's KodeKloud engineering task. So today's task is to install and configure MariaDB server on our database of the Stratos data center. So I'm logging into stdb01 using beta user. Once that is done, switch to root. Now let's try to install the mariadb-server package using the yum install command. Meanwhile, let's open up a new terminal to copy the database dump which is present in home tor. Use the command change directory cd and let's use sftp to copy this particular file to stdb01 of beta user. Input the password. Once this is done, let's also install the mariadb additional packages using the star option. Just try to put the dump of the database, exit the sftp. Let's wait for the installation to be completed. Restart the mariadb service. Also list the status. We can see it is active and running. Run the mysql secure installation. Give us option no to all of the requested prompts. Log into the database using mysql-u root. Let's create the database KodeKloud_db9, and then we are going to create the user. Please be careful about the parameters as these are dynamics, like the username and the database field. Also grant all the privileges. Then flush the privileges and exit from the MariaDB database. Open etc my.cnf and add these two lines, which is the port bind. And then we are going to input the dump into the database. Looks like we copied the dump to home Peter. Let me correct it. Once this is done, we are going to restart the MariaDB service. Now let's log in just to test the access. Yes, we are able to log into stdb01. Also, let's try to test it with the localhost. It seems to be working too. We are giving PASS as the password as mentioned while creating the user. Let's log into the storage server, and we are now going to configure wp-config.php file as per the given task. Let's switch to root. I'm going to use set to input commands into the configuration file, as it will be an easy option. Also, please look at the commands in the description field. I'm pasting them for ease of access for you to perform the task. I'm just trying to grep one of the changes I made, and it seems to be successful. Let's open the port and test the access to the database. It seems to be successful. Click on confirm and then finish. So if you like my videos, please like, click, and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today. See you.